Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to repair almost anything in 7 Days to Die. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future content. To begin, first of all we'll need to gather some repair kits. These can be found inside of some vehicles, cars, and some trash piles in random buildings. Or you can craft them from the beginning from some forged iron and duct tape. Forged iron can be made inside of a forge or by using an impact driver or a wrench and scrapping some street lamps or transformers. Nextly, duct tape can be made from cloth fragments and some glue inside of your inventory, as you can see here. And once you've gathered all of these materials, go ahead and craft the repair kit. And once it's in your inventory, just go ahead and press on the item that you want to repair and click on repair, or by using a shortcut that you pre-selected is going to be shown right here. And also you can repair vehicles like the minibike by holding down E whilst aiming at the minibike and going ahead and aiming at the repair icon and stopping holding down the E. And as you can see, it is going to take one repair kit and repair the minibike. As you can see, this is pretty much all how to repair almost anything. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.